Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Welcome sa Agent Mateus class. Ang ating topic ay combination. Ito ay Grade 10 Mathematics, Quarter 3, Week number 3 and 4. This is Mr. Reyes guiding you for our lesson for today. Our learning objectives are: we are going to illustrate the combination of objects. We are going to determine the combinations of n objects taken R at a time. And basically, we are going to differentiate also the permutation from combination. Ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa? So, warm-up activity by this 642 Lotto Draw. Nasubukan mo na bang bumili ng ticket pagdating sa game of chance na ito? Gusto ko lang malaman mo na there are 5,245,786 ang pwede nating mabiling tickets from or basically if you want to know the chance in winning 642 Lotto Draw, it is 1 in 5,245,786. Kung bibilhin mo yung ticket ng lahat ng yan, may posibilidad na mananalo ka. Pero, what if dalawa kayong nanalo? Kaya, ang tendency, paghahatian nyo yung prize or yung jackpot amount, talo ka pa rin. In the past lessons, you have learned to determine the permutation of objects. So, in this lesson, you will also be dealing with a similar topic or idea with regard to the permutation. But for this time, we will not consider about the word order. In other words, order doesn't matter ang ating mga problem ngayon. Kung pagdating kay permutation, order matters. Pagdating sa bagong topic natin, order doesn't matter. Let us have this illustration. Let us now assume that there is a group of 3 ML players, namely Anna, Ben, at saka si Tim. Wherein bubuo sila ng team consisting of 2 players. So again, a team consisting of 2 players is to be formed. In how many ways can we do so? Ilan kaya ang pwede nating mabuong team dito? So kung titignan natin, may katanungan tayo dito, is the team of Anna and Ben different from the team of Ben and Anna? Basically, it's no. Sila ay magkapareho lang. Anna and Ben is the same as Ben and Anna. So with that, order is not important pagdating sa new topic natin. In fact, there are only 3 possible ways in which team could be constructed. Out of the 3 people here, meron tayong posibleng 3 possible ways of group of 2 players ang pwedeng mabuo dito. And these are Anna and Ben, pwede ring Anna and Tim, or Ben and Tim. Because in combination of objects, basically it is a subset of a larger set of objects referred to the number of ways we can choose items in any order, or order doesn't matter pagdating kay combination. So, illustrate ulit natin. Kunwari, ikaw ay isang reader. You are going to choose books from a set of books. At this point, we are going to choose 3 books from 4 different books. Unlike during our discussion or previous discussion about permutation, positioning is very important. Yung arrangement ay importante. But pagdating dito, order doesn't matter because, again, you are going to choose from the books. It's either, let's say, you are going to choose A, B, and C. Basically, pareho lang yon sa B, A, and C provided na pinili mo yung tatlong yan, and in order doesn't matter, pinili mo pa rin, pareho lang yung mga ibig sabihin nun. Pareho lang yung pagkakapili na ABC at saka BAC. Or if you want to list everything, pagdating kay combinations, you will only have 4 possible combinations. And pagdating naman kay permutation, because order matters, kunwari, kinuha mo yung akla na A, tapos followed by B, followed by C, it is actually different from A, C, and B because order matters pagdating kay permutation. But pagdating kay combination, order doesn't matter. ABC is just the same as CBA or other arrangements na pwede natin consider na isa lang sila pagdating kay combination. Or nakuha yan sa pamamagitan actually ng formula na ito. The number of combinations of n objects taken R at a time is given by this symbol. We have the combination represented by capital C of n objects taken R at a time, or the formula behind that is n factorial all over R factorial quantity n minus R factorial, where n and R here are non-negative integers, or the R should be less than or equal to n. Kailangan mas malaki parati yung n or equal dun sa R. And once again, order does not matter dito sa ating combination. And through examples, malalaman natin kung paano tayo nagsosolve. Find the combination of n objects taken 3 at a time. It can be solved with this. Again, kung gagamitin natin or i-recall uli natin yung formula, combination of n objects taken r at a time is equal to n factorial all over r factorial, then quantity n minus r factorial. So this is our n and this is our r. Substitute everything, you will arrive on this, and later on you will have 56 factorial. Using your calculator, by the way, you can solve that using the symbol of the combination in your scientific calculator. You will arrive at 56. Or if you want to know the shortcut, in case ang value ng R mo is 3, mag-prepare ka lang ng 3 blanco sa itaas at saka 3 blanco din sa ibaba. Ganon yung process kung paano mag-solve ng combination. Again, if the value of R is 3, magsulat ka ng 3 blanco, yung 3 blanco din sa baba. You will start with 8 as part of the n, followed by 7, followed by 6. Mag-stop ka na dyan, and sa denominator naman, those are the values of your R factorial, 3, 2, and times 1. Kung papansin mo, we could cancel 3 times 2, then magkakancel siya dun sa 6, hanggang sa mag-arrive ka sa 56. If you want to apply that, pwede mo rin gawin, basta be careful sa cancellation law. And if you want to solve the combination of 10 objects taken 6, you will have the following. Again, using the formula behind combination, you will arrive at 210. Or kung pwede mong gamitin ang ating sinabing shortcut, gawa ka ng 6 na guhit, then all over 6 na guhit ulit. Start mo sa 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then sa ibaba, ispisa mo sa 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and start cancelling 6 and 5, 6 and 5. You have 4 and 2 taken from the 8 here. Yung 3 dito, pwede mong i-cancel kay 9. Meron ka pang maiwang 3 doon. So, ang maiwan nating mga numero ay 10, 3, and 7. And that results to 210. You can apply that technique. Mas mapapadali ka considering na wala kang scientific calculator. How many committees of 3 can be selected from 4 people? Again, committees, kahit sinong unang piliin mo from 4 people, it doesn't matter pagdating sa committee. Order doesn't matter. So basically, we have a combination of 4 objects taken 3. So gagamitin lang natin again n factorial all over r factorial quantity n minus r factorial. So you will arrive at 4 if you will follow the process of cancellation. Tuloy natin sa iba pang problem. How many 5 card hands are possible from a standard deck of cards? Pag sinabi nating standard deck of cards kasi, ito yung 52 cards in total parati yan. Pag sinabing standard deck of cards. So sa mga incoming topic natin, pag nabanggit yan, see to it na 52 ang gagamitin mo. Again, we will be choosing 5 cards from 52 cards. Order doesn't matter. So you will have 52 choosing 5. We have 2,598,960 ang pwede nating mabuo ng 5 card hands na pwede nating ipares-pares. And ito yung warm-up natin kanina. How did we arrive at that number of possible tickets? How many lotto tickets can be formed from 642 lotto draw? Gagamitin lang natin 42, a combination of 42 objects taken 6 at a time. So, combination of that is 42 factorial all over 6 factorial times quantity 42 minus 6 factorial. Or using your scientific calculator, there's a symbol of combination there. You will arrive at 5,245,786. And suppose there are 15 girls and 18 boys in a class. In how many ways can 2 girls and 2 boys be selected for a group project? So this is a different scenario because you could apply the multiplication rule because we have 2 given events here, event ng mga girls and event ng mga boys. But in choosing or forming a group must have 2 girls and 2 boys. Ibig sabihin yung dalawang girls natin, pipiliin natin from 15 girls, samantalang yung 2 boys, pipiliin natin from 18 boys. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng ganito. 15 here belongs to the number of girls. Yung 18 dito belongs to the number of boys. Kukuha tayo ng dalawa doon. We are going to choose 2 also from the boys. Multiply it. Multiplication rule because of the certain condition. And the result of this one times the result of this, lalabas ang 16,065. You can use your calculator if you want to verify your answer. A box contains 12 black and 8 green marbles. How many ways can 3 black and 2 green marbles be chosen? Again, bubuo tayo ng 5 na marbles pero may corresponding number of pieces, 3 black from 12 black, 2 green from 8 green marbles. So you will arrive at this certain computation. We are going to choose combination. We will have the combination of 12 black marbles taken 3 black marbles at a time. We are going to multiply that by combination of 8 green marbles taken 2 green marbles at a time. And if you want to compute or apply our technique, again, pag 3 nakalagay dito, guhit ka ng 3 and then 3 din sa ilalim. Mag-start ka ng 12, depende sa value ng n mo. 12 times 11 times 10, sa ibaba, 3 times 2 times 1. As simple as that. That is our shortcut and you can apply that shortcut. Dito tayo sa pangalawa, mag-create tayo ng dalawa din. Then dalawa, nakadepende once again yung mga guhit sa value ng R natin. We'll start at 8 times 7, sa baba naman 2 times 1 tayo. Ang pagpapatuloy natin, magkakaroon tayo ng pwedeng makancel dito. We have 3 times 2 is 6 times 2, that is 12. Kaya pwede na natin i-cancel ito. Or with the use of the calculator, you could have the result of, and you will have that final answer of 6,160. Again, mayroon tayong symbol ng combination dyan. You could have 12C3 and then multiply mo ng 8C2. You will still have 6,160 ways to choose 3 black and 2 green marbles from 12 black and 8 green marbles. If there are 6 teams in a basketball tournament and each team must play every other team in the eliminations, how many elimination games will be there? So, alam naman natin, pagdating sa basketball, 2 teams ang naglalaro kada game. So, kunwari, the games or the teams are A, B, C, D, E, saka F. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kung bibilangin natin lahat ng mga number of elimination games, kasi kakalabanin nila ang isa't isa. Number 1, pwede nating sabihin A versus B. Let's say number 2, A versus C. Number 3, A versus D. Number 4, A versus E. Punta tayo kay B. Kakalabanin niya si A. Hindi na pwede kasi A versus B na tayo kanina. Pwede na tayong mag-concentrate kagad kay C. And for the number 6, si B, pwede niya pa rin kalabanin si D. Or si B, pwede niyang kalabanin si E. Pagdating naman kay letter C or team C, hindi na niya pwedeng kalabanin si A at saka si B kasi tapos na siya sa other games. So, C versus D na tayo o kaya C versus E na tayo. Pagdating naman kay D, pwede niyang kalabanin si E. So, lumalabas na wait, nakalimutan natin si F. So, balik natin na lang dito. We have A versus F. Yan. Sino pa? B versus F. Yan. 13, we have C versus F. We have 14, we have D versus F. And the last one, kung tutusin, we have E versus F. Yun yung pinaka-last na pwedeng game na pwedeng mangyari. Or if you want to verify your answer, dapat 15 ang lalabas. You could have the combination of 6 objects taken 2 at a time. Kasi may dalawang naglalaro parati kada game. Shortcut, dalawang guhit because of the R, which is 2. Then dalawang guhit din sa ibaba. You will start at 6 times 5 sa numerator. Sa ibaba naman 2 times 1. Mag-umpisa ka sa 2 because of the R is equal to 2. And computing that, you will arrive at 15 games na pwedeng mangyari sa elimination na ito. Out of the 6 teams, mayroon tayo. And a group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected if the team has no girl? Walang babae dun sa 5 members. Kung walang babae dun na pwede natin kunin, ibig sabihin, yung 5 members na ito, manggagaling na lang sa 7 boys natin. So our simple computation here is to get the combination of 7 objects taken 5 at a time. And you could have that 21 ways. Again, technique natin. Guhit ng 5. And 5 din sa ilalim natin dito. You will start at 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 then times 3 hanggang sa mag-end sa last na space dito. Sa ibaba naman, you will start at 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and apply the cancellation. You will arrive at a certain answer. 3 and 2 can be cancelled from 6 here. 4, pwede na nang mawala yan. And 5, pwede na rin mawala. Hanggang sa naiwan na lang yung 7 and 3. Kaya 7 times 3 is 21. So that's the shortcut pag wala kang calculator. Another condition from the same problem. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected if the team has 3 boys and 2 girls? So, again, we have 2 events involved. We are going to choose 3 boys from 7 boys and 2 girls from 4 girls. So, our process would be this way. Mag-umpisa tayo dito sa combination of 7 boys taken 3 boys at a time. So, doon manggagaling yung first product natin or first part ng ating multiplication rule. Second part naman, we have the combination of 4 girls taken 2 girls at a time. So, whatever is the result from our first and the second here until you will arrive at 210 possible ways. There are certain problem in combination ang na mayroong tinatawag na restriction or something like condition. Some of the problems ay may makikita kang at least. Okay? So, medyo magiging komplikado ng konti dito. So, a box contains 2 white balls and 3 black balls and 4 red balls. So, as a total, we have 4 times plus 3 plus 2, may 9 na balls sa loob ng box? In how many ways can 3 balls be drawn from the box? Ibig sabihin yan, bubuo tayo ng bilang ng balls na 3 na manggagaling dun sa box, wherein may mga conditions dito na at least 1 block dapat ang mayroon dun sa 3 bola na nabunot. Again, dapat at least 1 block ang mayroon dun sa 3 bola. Kaya kung at least 1 block, ibig sabihin pwedeng maging 1 block, pwedeng maging 2 block balls, or pwedeng maging 3 block balls ang pwedeng mabuo dun sa 3 bola. Or, to clarify, ganito yung pwedeng mangyari. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, you could have 1 block and 2 non-block. Pwede kang magkaroon ng 2 block balls at saka 1 non-block. And pwedeng ordinary 3 block na lang lahat. And the most important here, because of the word at least, kailangan isa doon ay block, at least isa doon ay block, kaya pwedeng 2 block or pwedeng 3 block lahat. Kaya kung susumahin, you could have this process. Dito sa unang bahagi natin, ang condition dito, meron tayong nag-exist na isang black ball out of the 3 black balls na meron tayo. Ibig sabihin, yung 2 ball dun sa 3 na inaasahan, may 2 pa tayong inaasahan na manggagaling na lang dun sa ibang kulay, wherein may 6 na lang na ibang kulay. Yung 6 na ito, galing ito sa white at saka yung red, kasi meron tayong 2 white balls at saka 4 red balls. And kung napapansinin mo, mayroon tayong 3 at saka 6 dito. Panay 9 yan because from the very start, meron tayong 9 na balls na nandun sa box natin. And dito naman sa pangalawa, what if 2 yung black balls natin? Siyempre, isa na lang ang matitira na pagpipilian natin from the remaining non-black balls tayo. So, ibig sabihin, 3 manggagaling dyan yung 2 black balls natin, and yung isa sa 3 balls naman ay manggagaling sa 6 na bola na remaining kapag tinanggal mo yung black balls natin. Dito naman, the last option here is 3 black balls ang ating kukunin. Siyempre, manggagaling na lang yon dun sa ordinary 3 black balls na mayroon tayo from the very start. Ibig sabihin yan, 3 na yon, ibig sabihin wala ka ng option para dagdagan pa ng ibang ball kasi nga naka-3 na. Simplifying that, you will arrive at 64 to be exact. And what if our problem has the praise at most? Pag sa translation yan, pinakamataas na yung numero na pwede nating buuin kapag may salitang at most before the number itself. So, kapag ganyan yung mangyari, at most 4 women, ibig sabihin, kasi sabi dito, there are 8 men and 10 women at a certain club. And how many committees of 7? Bubuo ng committee na merong 7 members. Provided na dapat yung kada committee o mabubuong committee na yun, dapat at most 4 women ang nandun. Dapat pinakamataas na yung 4 na bilang ng babae dun sa 7 na pwedeng mangyari o pwedeng pagbuo ng committee na merong 7 tao. Sa 7 taong yon, dapat may at most 4 women doon. Pag sinabing at most 4 women, pwedeng 4 yung babae doon, pwedeng 3 yung babae doon, pwedeng 2 yung babae doon sa 7, or pwedeng 1 yung babae doon sa 7, or pwedeng walang babae doon sa 7. Kasi nga, at most 4 women. Hindi ka dapat lumagpas sa 4. Okay? So, ganito yung process natin. Itong unang ito, ibig sabihin, ang from the expected 7 members, hindi na pumili ng babae. So, wala nang babae dito. Okay? Walang babae dito. Kasi nga, because of the condition at most, ibig sabihin, pwede tayong mag-decide na walang babae dun sa 7. Okay? Kung magkakaroon man ng babae, dapat mataas na yung 4 na babae dun sa bilang. Sa pangalawang condition dito, isa yung babae dito. Ibig sabihin yan, from the 10 women na mayroon tayo from the very start, doon tayo pipili ng isang babae Siyempre, para makabuo ng 7 na miyembro ng committee, meron ka pang 6 na manggagaling doon sa 8 lalaki para mabuo yung 7 na miyembro ng committee. Kaya ganito yon, 8 combination, 6 ang nabuo natin. 6 dito kasi nga from 7, meron na tayong 1. So, 6 na lang ang natitira comprising para sa mga lalaki doon sa committee. What if 2 girls ang kasama doon sa 7 members? Ibig sabihin, pag may 2 girls doon, may inaasahan pang 5 lalaki na pwedeng membro ng committee. So with that, we are going to choose 2 girls from the 10 women and 5 boys from the 8 men. Ano man yung result nito, malalaman natin mamaya. Dito naman, sa certain part na ito, 3 naman ang babae dito. So, you can choose 3 women from the 10 women from the very start. And pag may 3 women na, ibig sabihin may asahan kang 4 na lalaki para mabuo yung 7. And manggagaling yon dun sa 8 lalaki, kasi nga 4 ang ating kukunin doon. And what if 4 yung babae dito, kasi nga at most 4 women, kaya pasok pa rin yan. Kaya kung may 4 na babae dito, ibig sabihin 3 na lang ang boys na kukunin natin para mabuo yung 7 na miyembro ng committee. So 4, manggagaling doon sa 10 women and 3, manggagaling doon sa 8 men. So ano man yung result nila dito sa 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pag add-in natin lahat ng mga yan using your calculator, you will arrive at 22,968. So, yun yung mga conditions na merong at most at saka at least. Yun lang yung mga certain problem na na-encounter natin na medyo nakakalito ng konti. So, with that, I need to end my discussion with this. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. That's according to Nelson Mandela. So, thank you for listening and have a good day.